Hey there, I'm John Esch, owner at Joyland Roofing and Exteriors. I'm out here by a chimney we recently repaired. Your home's brickwork and chimney are critical components of your property's structural integrity and overall aesthetic appeal. Unfortunately, over time, these areas can become damaged or worn out, resulting in a range of problems that compromise the safety, functionality, and beauty of your home. Chimneys can become weakened or fall apart entirely, posing a significant risk to your home and family, and that's where Joyland Roofing and Exteriors comes in. Our team of brick experts and chimney restoration specialists can help you restore your property to its original condition quickly and affordably. If you have missing or damaged bricks, we can replace them to restore the structural integrity of your walls and chimney. If you have cracked or missing mortar, we provide full repointing services to ensure tight, durable mortar joints that keep your masonry from falling out. Maybe your chimney crown is cracked or falling apart. We'll repair it or replace it to prevent water damage and other issues from compromising your home's safety. If you have rodents or birds in your chimney flue or water intrusion issues, we recommend installing a flue or chimney cap to keep critters and weather out. And if your chimney is falling apart, we'll rebuild it using durable materials and expert techniques to ensure its safety and functionality. Don't let a damaged chimney or a worn-out brickwork ruin the look and function of your home. Contact Joyland Roofing and Exteriors for expert brick and chimney restoration services. Schedule a consultation today to learn more about how we can help you.